Actress Rhea Chakravarti, who has been missing over the past few days, reportedly left her building in the middle of the night along with her family. Rhea went missing soon after she was charged with abetment to suicide along with 6 others in an FIR lodged by late actor Sushant Singh Rajput's father KK Singh. Sushant was found hanging at his residence on June 14, and the post-mortem report stated that the actor had committed suicide. Now, a report by Republic TV has claimed that the supervisor of Rhea's building has said that the actress, along with her parents and brother, left 3 days ago in the middle of the night, according to HindustanTimes.com. They left together in a blue car and had big suitcases with them, the supervisor was reportedly quoted as saying. The supervisor added that Sushant had not visited Rhea's residence for some time now. Sushant's father KK Singh had filed his FIR at Rajiv Nagar police station in Patna a few days ago. Bollywood actress Sara Ali Khan spent her Sunday doing yoga by a swimming pool. Sara took to Instagram where she shared a picture of herself dressed in a bright orange sports bra and shorts. She is seen doing the tree yoga pose by the swimming pool. Happy Sunday, if only peace, serenity and green truly made you wiser, but at least I got the day right this time, she captioned the image. Sara also shared a collage of pictures featuring herself, brother Ibrahim and mother Amrita. On the work front, Sara along with actors Akshay Kumar and Dhanush are all set to resume shooting in October for their upcoming co-starrer. She will also be seen opposite Varun Dhawan in the remake of 1995 hit film Coolie No. 1. Actress Kareena Kapoor Khan loves her kaftans, and she once again treated her fans to another picture from her kaftan series. The actress loves wearing comfy and cozy kaftan at home, where she is spending her lockdown with her husband Saif Ali Khan and son Taimur. On Sunday, she posted another selfie in a kaftan. In the picture, the actress looks fresh as she flaunts her flawless skin in the sun-kissed selfie. She is seen wearing a white and pink colored kaftan. Up to some shady business, she wrote along with the picture on Instagram. The post currently has more than 472k likes on the photo sharing website. Speaking of Kareena's work projects, she will be seen opposite Aamir Khan in Lal Singh Chaddha. Actor Ritesh Deshmukh is using social media to show off the singing talent of his son Rahil. He posted a video of the little boy singing Mostly Eligible, where Rahil mentioned he likes the song and says it should be the part of the movie for which he came up with an imaginary title. Dear Vishal and Shekhar, do you see any future here? Quarantine music composition is in full swing. Music maestros Rahil and Divyana, he wrote while posting the video on Instagram. Bollywood couple Jenny and Ritesh Deshmukh recently went off to a farm in Latur with their sons Rahil and Ryan. Late actor Sushant Singh Rajput's sister Shweta Singh Kirti shared an emotional post on the occasion of Raksha Bandhan. Shweta shared a collage of photos in which Sushant's sisters can be seen tying Rakhi to him. Happy Raksha Bandhan, mere sweet sa baby. You were, you are, and you will always be our pride, she captioned her Instagram post. Sushant's ex-girlfriend Ankita Lokhande showered love on Shweta's post. She wrote, "The" with heart emoji. On the occasion of Raksha Bandhan, actress Soha Ali Khan posted an adorable picture of her daughter Inaya and her cousin Taimur Ali Khan. Soha took to Instagram to share the picture. She captioned the post, "On the ball and in my corner." In the picture, Taimur can be seen pouting as Inaya cutely looks at him. Taimur and Inaya are internet favorite cousins and are very popular among the paparazzi. Actress Karishma Tanna's new workout partner is her four-legged friend Coco. Karishma took to Instagram where she posted her motley pictures of herself doing yoga. Her pet dog Coco can be seen beside her. Sunday workout with my fur ball, my munchkin, she captioned the images. Karishma was recently announced the winner of season 10 of the adventure reality show Khatron Ke Khiladi.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.